In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Bank of America credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you apply for a Bank of America credit or debit card and you are approved, it is going to get instantly attached to your account. The best way to use and manage a credit or debit card is through the latest version of the Bank of America mobile banking app. So if you haven't registered to use the online banking functionalities and the mobile banking functionalities for the Bank of America, I highly recommend that you do so. But as long as you have the physical card, you can start making purchases in store or online. The mobile app and the online banking section for the Bank of America will allow you to manage your card even further and lock it, replace it, or activate it as necessary. So in this video, I'm gonna cover how to unlock these additional functionalities. But to use the card, all that you have to do is make sure that it is validated, that you are approved, and that you have all the details at hand. In the mobile app, you can tap the three lines at the top left corner of the home screen to access the Manage Credit/Debit Cards section, and in there you can browse through all of the cards attributed to your account. Like I mentioned previously, after you are approved for a Bank of America card, it is going to appear here automatically. So if you don't see a card listed in this page, call their customer support and make sure that it was properly linked to your account. All that you have to do to use the Bank of America credit card is to copy the details that you can find over here on this page or online by searching for the card details, the expiration date, and the security code at the back. You can also use it alongside a digital wallet if you tap the button that I highlighted at the bottom. This will allow you to link it to Apple Pay, PayPal, or Google Pay. And if you choose any of those payment methods, you can use the Bank of America card when you select to pay with it. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Bank of America credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.